Double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Here USB is already selected.
Click on Net and from drop-down select PosBox printer or IP address.
Click on Install. Printer installation is completed.
Go to Settings.
Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners.
Here you can see that PosBox printer is installed.
Click on that.
And go to Printer Preferences. Here default paper size is 72 mm by 50 mm. You can change size from here.
In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer.
In the Cutter option, you can change if it should cut in the end or after each print.
Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. Hope this video was helpful.